I feel like I need to block everything out and stay focused on my goals. Take over the globe.
In a different mind state. I'm playing for keys like in the streets, I want it my way. Hey, fuck that state, we eating beef, we know that crime pay. They say we dogs and every dog gon' have his dying day. Rockin' that demon SRT, that big and sideways.
I know you guys don't see me as often as you used to because I don't upload as much, but welcome back to a new video. I am back with yet another banger. For those who are new here, this is my 1,000 horsepower Trackhawk. It's purple, it looks like Barney, and in today's video, we're gonna be doing something very stupid with it. So here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna loosen the bolts on my passenger seat and take someone out for a drive and get their reaction. This thing makes 1,000 horsepower, so it's gonna throw you in your seat. Now, when it goes to throw you in your seat, the seat is gonna fly all the way to the back, so you won't really have anywhere to be thrown. You're probably gonna be thrown out of the seat. I'm not really sure who did this first, but it's a trend and everybody has been doing it, so I thought, hey, why not just join the bandwagon? Now I'm gonna show you guys how we're gonna loosen this seat. We got a bolt here, and 2 more in the back. We got the screwdriver right here. We're gonna try to pop these little plastic things out. One is out and that is out. So here's the bolt. I'm actually really embarrassed with my tool set. I mean, this is it right here. I wouldn't even call this a tool set, but it definitely gets the job done. I got the front two out. Now I'm gonna move up the seat so I could get to the back ones. I'm gonna do the same thing back here. We're gonna pop these little plastic things out. All right, we got that one out. And now let's get this one. All right, I got all 4 bolts out. Now I'm gonna put the seat back where it was so it's not suspicious. We're gonna kind of put it back the same position as my driver one. All right, we're gonna put it down. All right, so I think this is good and normal. It doesn't look like it's moving. Let's just try to push it back. Oh my God, the whole seat comes off. Let's see how it looks from back here. So when they go back, okay, so I hope they don't get hurt. They're gonna simply just fall back on the rear seats. Oh my God, look at all the wires. Hopefully they don't get disconnected. I hope the seat doesn't fly all the way back there. I really hope no one gets hurt during the making of this prank. I usually don't prank people on this channel, but this was just too funny not to do. I'm gonna make sure they have their seatbelts on. Now I'm gonna put these back so they don't suspect of anything. All right, and boom, just like that. They look pretty normal, like no one touched them. I'm also gonna be surprising my friend with a little gift for simply being the victim of this prank. So I think we're all good to go now. I told my boy the reason I'm taking him out for a ride today is because I made my Trackhawk faster, so I just wanna see his reaction, and he agreed.
What's going on? What's going on, bro? You all right?
How you feeling? Put your seatbelt on. Is everyone in?
They're inside. What the fuck?
Bro, I was trying to hold it up to do a good pull for you.
Oh my God, you got me flying.
You didn't see that coming.
I did not see that coming. What the hell?
Bro, I was trying to hold it back, but you kept leaning forward. I'm like, fuck, I'm gonna just do the pull right here.
What the fuck?
I took the bolts off the whole seat.
Yeah, I could tell.
Man, you can tell. I hope Matt doesn't know.
Matt's gonna go get Matt downstairs.
Yeah, I told Matt, I was like, yeah, I made my car a little faster. I'm gonna take you for a ride.
Matt's gonna trip.
I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have you sitting in the back here.
Behind
and like
you?
kind of like hold it up so he doesn't realize. And then before I do the pull, just like move your hand.
Okay.
Because that's what I was trying to do, but you're too heavy.
I'm heavy?
Like you were leaning back, you're putting all your force. Fuck, that was funny though. Bro, you flew all the way back.
I flew all the way front too.
It's so hard to try to stay forward.
She got me leaning.
You're trying to hold on with everything.
I can't.
Oh my God.
This is closest, but you gotta turn back around.
I know, I'm about to turn around. Damn, I wanted it to be the actual pull. But man, we're gonna do it, Matt. We're gonna get Matt really good. Matt is gonna. I think he's gonna fall for it.
Matt is gonna cry.
Yeah, you just gotta help me with it. You gotta like be.
I'm gonna push him up, but like right when you're about to do the pull, I'm gonna let go and just.
I'll tell you what.
Bro, this fun though. I ain't gonna lie.
Right? It feels like a
roller coaster. I swear to God. Hey, he's about to get so mad. I feel like.
I know. I don't care. It's gonna be fun. All right, so you gotta like, you gotta put that seat back in place. Get these lights on.
I'm just gonna hold it like this.
Yeah, like hold it like this, but don't make it noticeable.
I'm gonna make it obvious. I'm just gonna
Yeah,
hold it
like
this.
sit right there, and as soon as I'm gonna give you like this, I'll do this. Just
Yeah.
look
move
for
my
this
hand.
hand. As soon as I do that, move your hand. I'm gonna go crazy.
Alright.
All right, he's about to come in. All right, this is gonna be funny, bro. He's gonna give us a crazy reaction.
Hop in the front. Hop in the front. Hop in the front. Hop in the front. Hop in the front.
What's up, my boy?
No.
Hey, the Lions won. What's that song?
The Lions.
We f***ing won. We won again.
How's your lights on? Be careful.
Oh, we're filming. What do you mean? Why are my lights on? Oh, it just helps a little.
What's wrong with the seat?
What?
It's like going back and forth a little bit.
Put your seatbelt
what's it
on.
called? Put your seatbelt on.
Put your seatbelt on. You never wear your seatbelt, bro. Just like Nate. Nobody, you know, I think nobody in my friends group wears seatbelts, which is really bad.
Oh, you're recording right now? I didn't even realize.
What do you think this is?
I didn't even see the camera.
Come on, bro. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber, bro. You gotta always know I'm recording it all the time.
What the fuck? I'm saying, why is the seat moving like that?
Bro, it's fucking, we hit the thing. I thought we were about to break the window.
I'm like, why is it stop? Chill out, chill out, chill out. I'm like, why is the seat f***ing moving?
Dog, this got flew. That was so good, bro. I thought it was about to fly from the sunroof.
Hey, I don't know where my slides are. My
slides blocked the window.
I have no shoes on.
Bro, this guy, hey, his whole body was flat. He literally went like this.
I gotta see the replay.
Bro,
he did it to me the first time I got into the car.
Bro, you guys both suspected something, but you didn't think that I just took the bolt off, right?
I didn't know I was gonna fucking fly like that. What the bro, you told me you made the car faster. I didn't know the fucking seats were gonna come off.
That's how you make it faster. That's how you
I took the bolt
make
off.
it faster.
Oh my god, that was funny. We're gonna do Marcus too.
Oh, Marcus is gonna fly.
I have to be in here when Marcus does it, bro.
But we gotta hold his seat up. Like,
Yeah,
Oh shit, bro. Bro, this bitch is flying backwards. I don't play that. Oh shit. I gotta hold on to this.
So the third victim is coming in the car now.
What up?
Everybody, the camera's rolling.
What
Don't
up,
say
what up,
anything. We
what
can
up?
cancel.
What up,
Okay?
what up, what up?
Don't say anything crazy.
What's going on?
what up, dope?
What up, boo boo?
Put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on.
Alrighty.
How you feeling, bro?
Good, man.
Yeah?
Chilling.
Seatbelt on, bro. Safety
Seatbelt.
first.
Safety first.
Always first.
Okay. Just a moment, sir.
You ever been in anything fast?
No.
No, first time?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Well,
Where are we going?
I'm just gonna take you for a quick ride. I'm getting all my friends' reaction for the camera.
He made his car a little faster, you know.
Yeah, so we're just trying to see how everyone reacts.
Alrighty.
Everything good? Doing great?
Amazing.
Alright. Did you eat anything?
Yes.
Okay.
Earlier.
Alright.
So hopefully,
Yeah.
hopefully it stays down.
Put your
Not
phone in
up.
your pocket because it might fly.
Oh, okay.
Ready?
Yep. What the? You know what's funny? I felt like the seat was loose for a second, and like I was trying to trip it out for a second. I'm like, all right, like maybe it's just something, you know? Well,
There goes the reaction. Hey, Matt, his whole body flew off the seat. Hey, his body was flat. His thing, his sandals went somewhere. We lost them.
That was funny. That was funny. Bro, I went up. I thought I was going to close the window.
We gotta get marked.
That's why I closed it.
And he's called me. He's playing. My brother's falling. Where the hell did I go?
What up, my boy? Hey, you got the Lions hat.
Put your seatbelt.
You know the Lions won again.
Yeah. How you feeling, bro?
Chilling, man. We got that dub, that big dub today.
What is it, like 57 to 2 or something?
52 to 6.
53 to 6. Or 52 to 6, yeah, 52 to 6.
Alright. We're gonna go have some fun. So I made it a little faster. So I'm just trying to get your reaction.
What'd you do?
Still a little, you know.
Got a little baby bottle in the back?
Yeah.
Something like it. This chair is moving. Hey, I knew something was up from the beginning.
Hey, as soon as you knew it was
I
too
knew
late
something was up from the beginning. I knew it. They got him. I still would have flown in the back seat.
I was holding it in place so you wouldn't see.
Hey, the best one was Matt, bro. Matt elevated all of them.
Fly back.
Matt
You guys
elevated
did
all
that too or no?
Matt did it through
Yeah.
the back.
I did it with all of them.
Bro.
Air to this is still moving.
Hey, Matthew's whole body went in the air, Marcus. He said I'm holding on to my life right now.
Hey, all of you guys were scared.
No, I was having fun after the first time. After the first time, he kept
Hey,
doing it.
Pat did not see it coming at all.
I did it, bro.
No, Pat was clueless.
I was like, bro, my seat's
And then I walked out.
Hey, listen. This guy, just when I was about to do the pull, he goes, man, why is the seat moving a little bit? And I did it right away. I was like, it's too late now. I gotta do it.
Hey, he puts his thumbs up. I let my hand go, and he goes. Marcus flies all the way to the back.
I mean, how do you feel it though? Like, there's so much, like, you know?
Look at the seat, yo. This seat, I hope it didn't damage anything. I think everything's still good. All the wires are good. Mind you, when this happened, Matthew's sandals came off and they were literally under here. I'm not even joking. They were by the battery. All the wires are good. I think we just probably scratched up like here. Let's see how it looks back here. All right, let's put the seat back. Yeah, everything is good. This is a cool prank. If you have a fast car, definitely do it to your friends. But we're gonna put the bolts back on. Let me show you guys the bolts. Hey, here are the bolts. I took all 4 out.
Man, don't even put the bolts back on. This shit was fun. Let's do it again.
Right? It's like a roller coaster.
You gotta start charging $5 a ride.
Hey, I was
$5 a
thinking
pull.
if I take someone really skinny, they would fly all the way to the back of the trunk.
I weigh
200 pounds and I flew to the ceiling.
Bro, yours was the best. Your whole body
I
elevated.
literally flew to the ceiling. I'm not even kidding.
Now it's time to reward victim number 1 with his gift. Unfortunately, everyone else that did participate isn't getting a gift because I didn't know they were gonna be here. I thought he was gonna be the only one to participate. So sorry to everyone else. Thank you for participating. But Anthony's the only one that's gonna get a gift, and it is these heavy duty off-road mats from Awidro. And if I'm saying their name wrong, I do apologize. I'm an immigrant at the end of the day and don't know how to speak English. So big shout out to them for sending us these heavy duty mats. I gotta show you guys these. Well, before I show you guys, let me show you his F-150 that he absolutely does not care about and never takes care of. I bet his mats are super dirty. And yeah, as you can see, this guy never cleans his car, man. What's up, man?
Busy man.
Do you ever go on dates? Like, do you ever clean
I
your...
clean it before I go.
Oh, okay. So, I mean, as you can see, he hasn't been on a date in a long time. That's why they're not clean. And in just a few weeks, it's gonna snow here in Michigan, and those mats are not gonna survive the snow. But these mats are definitely gonna survive the snow. So that one's for the driver. This one is for the passenger. Oh, let's get rid of these, throw them in the garbage. All right. We're gonna put this one in here. All right, now let's take the driver side out and put these ones. And the cool part is that they do clip. Got a factory clips right here. This one, And that's 2. Same thing with the back. You got these ugly mats that are not gonna survive the snow. Instead, we are gonna get him these full rubber mats. It's gonna be super easy to clean. How is it looking back here? How's it looking? Oh, yeah. All right, let me see. Okay, look at that. We just gotta adjust it over there. You gotta open that door and adjust it, but here it is. Big shout out to WeDraw. Again, if I said their name wrong, I do apologize. So I'm gonna leave their info in the description below. If you want some good quality mats, make sure you hit them up. We are back at the shop, y'all, and look at all the different cars they got here. Wow. We got a full house today, full of race cars, and then check out the chill area. You got a podcast room over there. You got a bar area here, a nice couch, a pool table, a kitchen over there. I mean, this is literally the spot to be at. But let's go down there and see what cars they got. Every time I come to the shop, they got new cars, new builds, faster cars. It's always something to see here. Here are my 2 favorite builds, a twin turbo F-150 and a twin turbo Dodge Demon. Look at this thing. And as you can see, you cannot miss the twin turbos. They're sticking right out of the engine bay, and there's absolutely no room to put a hood. And then there's a lot of carbon fiber under this wrap, which was recently done. You got a carbon fiber lip, you got carbon fiber flares, doors, spoiler, and the trunk is carbon fiber. So there's a lot of weight saving on the Demon because it does weigh so much. And then here, you do not have a bed. The tailgate is gone. Not a bed, the tailgate is gone. And then you got a bunch of weights to get traction, a battery, and a bunch of race car stuff. This is one of my favorite trucks. And then check out the bead locks. Wow, the wheel setup on here is crazy. You also got the racing seat. Yeah, this is a full-on race car. I think every time I come to the shop, I always show you guys this. I wonder who would win between these two. I would probably go with the F-150. Let me know what you guys think. And the reason I say the F-150 might win this, even though they're both big monsters, is that the F-150 has been put together for a little while, where the Demon is a fresher build, it's a newer build, and I believe they're still trying to figure it out. But let me know in the comments below, which one of these would you want to drive? The twin turbo Demon or the twin turbo F-150? And here we have a Call of Duty Jeep Wrangler. I've never seen one of these before, but I mean, I really didn't know they exist, but this is one. There's a badge right here that says Call of Duty. So I don't know if this was used for like a promo or the video game. It's a 6.1 Hemi. And then here's the engine bay. Looks like it's missing something here. I think the intake, got the vent right here. And the color is pretty nice. I mean, it goes with the theme of the game, so I'm not sure if they used this for a video game.